Oops. Liking. Okay. Vacuum. Number 1 by Mr. Suras again. Number 1 ha, mekos again ha. Hello guys, babacuum na kami. Natapos na namin mahinang yung leaking dito. So babacuumin na namin. Maybe 30 minutes. Vacuum finish. Now we will refill refrigerant to check the leaking if there is remaining leaking or nothing. So we will put sabon to check the leaking. This time is leaking is nothing. Okay, number 1 Mia. Number 1 Mia kwais. Lotol syokol tumat sararabay. So now we are now assembling the sidings of this ACU number 3. This is my partner Suraj number 1. ACU number 3, leaking of pipe already done and rectify. So I will on now the AC and waiting for start the compressor and the fan motor. Check. Okay. One okay. Okay, I will check the voltage. 231.5 voltage. Voltage is good. Number 1. Waiting for start the machine outer unit. Okay, my friend, you want to charge the refrigerant? What? 65? Okay, 65. 7.7. Sana nga okay siya, hindi 6.7. Ilang full load nito? GGS 10.6.